Tyler Harding has made headlines after being arrested following a wild high-speed chase in North Carolina. The 26-year-old allegedly broke into a Charlotte home and stole a Jeep. When police tracked the vehicle using his GPS, Harding abandoned it and took off in a pickup truck. As officers pursued him, he blew a tire and switched to yet another stolen car, marking his third theft of the day. Harding drove recklessly along the highway, careening over dividers and sidewalks. And at one point, he was seen speeding against oncoming traffic. The chase came to a dramatic halt when he collided head-on with a car that was stopped at a red light. In a shocking turn, Harding pulled the pregnant driver, who was 7 months along, from her vehicle before fleeing again in another stolen car. The chaotic pursuit continued until he crashed once more. While trying to navigate an intersection, at which point he finally surrendered. Fortunately, no serious injuries were reported. After his arrest, Harding appeared in court via video link, where the prosecution sought to raise his bond, citing his clear threat to public safety.
You're driving on the wrong side of the road at excessive speeds, weaving in and out of traffic. He's just demonstrated he doesn't care for it.
Given that he was also wanted in another state, Judge Donald Curtin delivered his ruling.
His history has a lot regarding theft, as well as fleeing or trying to evade arrest. Obviously, the allegations in this case are no different. If anything, they are aggravated. So as a result, I am going to honor the request from the state in terms of raising the amount of the bond.
Harding, visibly frustrated with the judge's decision, unleashed a profanity and requested to leave.
Hey, I'm ready to go back. Nah, I'll let him finish. Hold
on. One thing you're not gonna do is give me permission to do anything. I already have that, so I don't need your permission.
No,
so you can go. No. You can go ahead and leave. You can go ahead and leave. You already upset. Go ahead and leave. Go ahead and leave.
It's important for me to hear this. It's important for me to hear this.
Well, it didn't seem that important just a few seconds ago when you said F this and you wanted to leave.
Because you're listening to what this gentleman has said to you, and it's not my place to tell you what happened yet because I haven't spoken to my attorney yet. But
all
that's
right,
what actually did a crime to lie.
Thank you.
Judge Curtin, however, firmly addressed him. Ultimately, Harding's bond was set at an astonishing $800,000. He later pleaded guilty to several felony and theft charges, receiving 2 consecutive prison sentences ranging from 10 to 21 months. While Harding showed no remorse for his outburst in court, one wonders what might happen if a convict were to spit at their lawyer. In the case of 19-year-old Keantay Hunter, who faces murder charges in Louisville, Kentucky, the situation is quite alarming. Back in 2012, Hunter reportedly broke into the residence of 21-year-old Jesse Williams, shooting both him and his girlfriend while they were asleep. Tragically, Williams lost his life instantly, while his girlfriend managed to survive the ordeal. Following the incident, Hunter was apprehended and charged with murder, attempted murder, and tampering with evidence. During his pre-trial hearing, the defense sought to suppress a statement Hunter made to the police after the shooting.
I would argue that given his situation as a juvenile, that the Commonwealth has not met their burden showing that that was an intelligent and voluntary waiver.
We'll get you a written order once I've reviewed the statement in its entirety.
However, Hunter had a different plan in mind. Initially, he clashed with his public defender, and just as tensions escalated, Hunter erupted.
Go ahead. That's right.
Mr. Hunter, hold on.
You do this. Get dude.
You need to sit down.
I won't do it off my
sit
case.
Down.
I'm standing on.
In a moment of fury, he spat at his lawyer and swung his handcuffed arms in aggression before deputies intervened to restrain him.
I want to file a verbal motion.
Yet this defiant behavior didn't end there. Eventually, a new public defender was appointed, but Hunter was ultimately found guilty on all counts and sentenced to 25 years behind bars. While Keantay Hunter displayed alarming behavior in court, one must wonder what occurs when a defendant threatens the judge directly. In the case of Juan Rodriguez, who faces accusations of stabbing a woman in Miami, Florida, significant details have emerged. In 2010, Rodriguez reportedly attacked nurse Nadine Morris at a mental health facility where he was a resident, following allegations that she had stolen from him. Currently appearing in bond court on a charge of attempted murder, Rodriguez's behavior was notably volatile.
I'm gonna fucking kill you. I'm a Jew. I'm gonna take your fucking life if you don't let me out of here. Okay? I'm done.
So
Now let's eat breakfast. The Rabbi's cooking.
Juan Rodriguez is charged with attempted.
As the judge dismissed his requests,
Give me Simon when I talk to her. You
Oh,
gotta
we're
get
doing
out
out of turn. Sorry about that. Didn't give you a heads up.
he became increasingly agitated.
1 second. He cannot be there when I talk to you.
What is that?
This guy cannot be there when I talk to you.
Oh, it was him. I thought it was the public defender.
No, I don't need it. Listen to me. You don't let me out of here, I'm gonna kill you. I'm a Jew. I'm gonna take your life if you don't let me out of here. Okay?
Making a startling statement, he attempted to leave the courtroom. Upon being restrained, the defendant reiterated his demand for release.
Murder, first degree. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender, seeing as that he doesn't appear to be in a condition to respond
And issued threats against Judge Beatrice Buchko.
What do you want?
appropriately.
What's your pleasure? What do you want from me? Where is Sabrina? Where the is she?
Finding probable cause.
What's her phone number? If you don't let me out of here, I'm gonna kill you.
Unfazed, the judge displayed a calm demeanor and ultimately denied his request for bond.
Setting no bond. Okay. Thank you, corrections. Probable cause, no bond. Appoint the public defender.